Nick Smith here at Fox Mattress again. One of the things I'd like to show you is an innerspring design. What's nice about our innerspring design is that it's got a good support system, and that's so imperative when it comes to a good night's sleep. But what we've done here is we're not your typical innerspring on the market. We've actually continued to keep that traditional design. And what I'm talking about as a traditional design is that we still make a two-sided flippable mattress. And what's nice about a flippable mattress is that it's going to last you longer. It's going to have that good quality material. It's going to have all the right parts and pieces that are going to give you a good night's sleep over an extended period of time. There's so many beds nowadays because of the cost of material and the skyrocketing of prices that have gone towards a one-sided design. And what happens is when there's two people in the mattress, your bottoms tend to be in the center of that mattress. You can spin it all you want, but when two people are in the bottom of that mattress, it wears out the center of that mattress. What's nice about a two-sided design is not only can you spin it, but you can flip it right on over, which allows the cushion to rejuvenate on the other side. Now, mind you, most of the beds that are on the market, the old traditional style, were a lot firmer. And over time, we need cushion for our hips and our shoulders. But at the same time, we don't want to give up that support. And what's so important about the support is that, again, we use a heavy density cushion. And with that heavy density cushion, it's going to prevent the impressioning in the mattress. So there's so many other designs of beds where the cushioning real thick, real nice looking, but it's got a lighter weight cushion which creates a body impression quicker. So what we like to do here is first is use a heavy duty continual spring. What that means is the springs are all intertwined together. So when you apply pressure at one point, the springs surrounding it are supporting it as well. What's crucial in being able to have it flippable is a heavy duty gauge border that goes around. What this allows us to do is all the parts and the pieces that go into making this bed get to wrap on over and are stapled into the springs with our sleeve. Now what we do is, in order to make sure this is comfortable and that it lasts a long time, is we use a flex band. And what's nice about the flex band is it goes right on over the springs. Then we use a second flex band that crosses it. And what this does is allows that none of the material in the mattress are going to break down into the spring. The main thing, which is so important, being that we're building this bed for the Florida climate, is our when we layer it with felt pads, we're not using raw cotton as an insulator pad. Because in Florida, we have a lot of humidity, and we don't want humidity to build up in your mattress. So that's why it's imperative that we've got a good felt that prevents the building up of humidity in your mattress. Then we apply it with a comfort zone. And the comfort zone, depending on the style of mattress, will use different layers and different densities. One of the big things about the cushioning in the mattress is, again, we're using a soy-based preserve foam. And what's awesome about the soy-based preserve foam is that it's heavy duty, but it's not using any of these CFCs, these chlorofluorocarbons that go into producing foam. It's got a lot less off-gassing. We're using a natural resource that's from the USA. And I sleep a lot better at it knowing that all the parts and pieces that go into making my bed are American-made. Now, as we add more cushioning to a mattress, we want it to be heavier. Now, all of our innerspring two-sided mattresses are going to have a full 10-year warranty. Not limited, full. We back our product 100%. We're the factory right here. You don't need to call an 800 number. We've got your back. Literally, with our mattress, but at the same time, with the longevity of the mattress. Because we build these beds very well constructed, very heavy duty, all the good parts and pieces of making it. So like I said, to add more cushion to a mattress, I want to increase the density of that cushioning. Because we use a ratio of the amount of cushioning to the density of the cushioning. Now another big thing is when we sit on the sides of the bed, a lot of times what we've noticed with a lot of beds on the market is that they break down on the sides. Because a lot of them are foam encased or just don't have the necessary parts and pieces to hold you up. So what we've done to complement this is we use these edge guards that we attach with our C-ring gun to the border on both sides. And what's nice about it is, as you can see, it attaches right to that border rod and it holds steady. But the nice thing about it is it's still a spring. So it's not going to feel like concrete when you sit on the side of the bed. It'll still give with you. But what we do to make this heavy duty is we also complement it with a foam guard that wraps around the springs in between the border rod on both sides. And we do this, we go around the whole bed. Edge guard, foam guard, edge guard, foam guard, edge guard, all the way around this mattress just to give it very good heavy duty support. And as well, of course, we use straps on the side that are sewn in with our quad stitching throughout the whole mattress. So as far as that, it's sewed in there several times. It's not just on the side where it'll rip off. This thing is sewed in real well because of the heavy density material we're using. We need to have a so it doesn't rip off. So it goes together nicely. So we've got your heavy duty inner spring. You've got your flex band so the materials don't break down in the mattress. We've got your felt pad. You've got your heavy duty cushioning, the soy base cushioning so you don't have all those off-gassing. And then we complement it with a nice plush quilt to go on top. So we've got all this support. We've got this cushioning. We've got just the perfect combination to make a fantastic bed. But one of the most important things, just so you know, is Uncle Sam wants to make sure that we barriers. Retardant. Required in 2007 legislators that we have an FR barrier, that this bed can perform an open flame test. And what's nice about this is we can take this bed and put it in a burning room. Now, yes, it'll burn, but it won't go, it won't just burst into flames. And that's imperative. So we've got the FR barrier, we've got the nice plush quilt, we sew it all together, it wraps over the border rod, we staple it into the springs, then we flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So you've got a good, comfortable, high quality, good two-sided mattress. And we build them well, and we've built them for decades. And thank you for taking the time to listen to me. And I can't wait to see you so I can help you personally.